Hello and welcome to Chartbusters on CNBC-TV18. I'm Ekta Batra and with me is Mangalam Malu. Well, this is the show where you get all of the buzzing stocks in the next 30-odd minutes. But let's kick off the show with a technical check. We have Ashish Kyal joining in to discuss what he's strategizing for this morning. Ashish, hi, welcome to the show. Well, it is going to be a lot about the global cues, the US inflation data, not to mention that we have the Indian inflation data coming out today as well. But nonetheless, what would your strategy be for the Nifty, which is currently just above 17,000?
Hi, Ekta, morning to you and Mangalam to you as well. See the overall trend for the market, if you look at past 3 to 4 days, it is failing to close above the prior day high, which indicates that right now the situation is any pullback is going to be short-lived as long as we do not move back about that 17,227. Why that exact level? That's again level that I am observing, and 17,227 has been acting like a magnet. It's not allowing prices to move anywhere. And unless we move back above it, I think any pullback from here will be short-lived. If you get an opportunity to sell at around 17,090, do that, keeping that 17,200 as a stop loss and expecting a target of again 16,950 on the downside. 17,000, we can clearly see a very high OI buildup is there, both on the put side, but also the call is increasing. So looks like a straddle is in play, and that's why we might see a range-bound movement until tomorrow in this broad range of 17,190 towards 16,950. That is the broad range I'm expecting on the Nifty. And US remains concerning. We can see it hitting 52-week low, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and there is no sign of any kind of a pullback, and the pullbacks are just short-lived for 1 or 2 days. And again, the selling pressure intensifies. At the same time, rupee is depreciating. We can see that. So a lot of global cues are not favoring the markets. But yes, India is resilient as of now, but I think we will give away.
All right, we will watch that. Ashish, you spoke about a straddle. Ekta, the other day we were talking about what straddles are in the FNO chat, right? A call and a put together. So people are selling that maybe for a 200-point range on either side of 17,000. Ashish, individual stocks, what are you looking at? Because just as we speak, the broader markets, the mid-cap index has turned into the red.
Yes, that is correct. It is better to stick with the large cap. If I'm buying something like Power Grid, it's the top gainer within the Nifty index, and also we can see a good bullish candlestick formation happening here. Volumes are decent enough, so possibility that we can move towards the level on the upside at 230 on Power Grid, maintain a stop loss of 207 on the downside. The next stock is on the sell side is Adani Enterprise. I know this is going against a very bigger up move, but I think over the short term the stock has topped out. We might start seeing selling pressure over here. We can clearly see lower high, low formation. It's trading below that 20 days average also. So Adani Enterprise is a sell, keeping a stop loss of around 3,320 for the target of 2,980.
All right, Ashish, thanks a lot for that. With that, we move on to our special segment where we get you